Let's take a closer look at a Metrix Premium Ball Joint. The nut provides a safe connection with the design in accordance with the standards. For housing, high-quality steel is used in accordance with high-strength standards. Metrix Premium Ball Joints have an effective coating against corrosion. Thanks to the material hardened by special heat treatments, the ball pin has high strength and durability. The end cap provides the user optimum operating torque due to maintenance-free design. The dust cover increases the life of the product as it has high sealing property. The bearing has low friction coefficient, long life, and high performance with improved polymer bearings. Because each Metrix Premium Ball Joint is precisely designed and has performed mechanical, static, and dynamic tests, it works like original equipment. It can be installed in place of with full compatibility. All Metrix Premium Ball Joints are long-lasting and user-friendly. To find the Metrix Premium Ball Joint that is compatible with your car, visit metrixpremiumparts.com.